2006 Triple E Empress for sale in Grande Prairie County, Alberta CanadaT8W5J7 Get ready for your next adventure with this 2006 Triple E Empress. This luxury Class A is 39 feet in length and features a charming floor plan. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2006 Triple E Empress is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious Class A motorhome your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include, always stored IndoorsBought new original owner-fully loaded automatic satellite DishLeather FurnitureCherry with CabinetsCarpet and heated TileSide by Side FridgeFreezer with automatic ice MakerDual air conditioning central vac system 400 horsepower Cummins diesel PusherNew Michelin pilot tires 10-gallon hot water tank air ride self-leveling jacks 7500W Onan diesel generator 2 Slideouts and much more. This 2006 Triple E Empress is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. This Class A motorhome is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2006 Triple E Empress Class A motorhome can be yours.